All right. I was supposed to be waiting for this for my birthday, but Amazon had the whole box for like 10% off. So I could not contain myself and just went ahead and bought one. So we're going to open this up. Oh, yeah. Legendary Duelist Season 3. $70 with tax and all. Sealed in the Konami wrapping. Nice and pretty Konami. Yeah. Opening video. Let's get to opening. Let's see. Entire thing folds up. Maybe? Nope, I don't think I did it right. Do not think I did. We'll figure it out later. Yep. Was trying to wait on my birthday for all this nonsense, but it just didn't happen that way, as you can plainly see. Alright, the packs are held down in this neat flap of cardboard that's impossible to fold up. What do we have? First box, just a hero die. And what is that? Yugioh the D-Knight Soul Spear. For our first promo, first pack. Archfiend Empress. Evil Hero Inferno Wing. Evil Hero Lightning Golem. So the first one is the Ultra, and the second two are the colored. Alright. Already trying to open another box. We got another pack. Okay, oh, I'm wrong. That's colored. Quick Draw Synchron. Oh no, Spirit Message L. Honest Neos. I've got a bunch of these. First box. Same die. Harpy's Pet Dragon. Fearsome Fire Blast. Can't even read that. Number C40 Gimmick Puppet of Dark Strings. Sinister Necron. Of course, we're looking for the chase card. That Magician Souls and those Soul Servants. Apprentice Illusion, okay. Lightning Golem. Uh-oh. Oh, we got the Dark Magician girl. Oh, a double. Fearsome Fire Blast. Okay. That DMG die, though. Sengen. Okay, I like Sengen. What is that? Chimera Flesia. Okay, Chimera. Neat. Kind of sticky. Honest Neos in red. Boo. Another C40. Dark Magic Circle. Satellite Warrior. Yep, both packs. What we got here? Oh, it's a... I don't know the name of this card. It's another mechanical whatever. You've got Liquid Soldier. These packs terrifying. Immortal Aslapiscu. Malicious Bane. And Sinister Necrom. Another quick draw. Infernal Prodigy. And Satellite Warrior. Halfway through. Oh, flip it over. We got a third hero die. All the heroes in here. It's not looking good. Curse Necrofear. I like that. It's a nice art. Magician's Combination. Another, that big long word. And Sinister Necrom. That's cool. Another blue Sangan. Dark Magic Circle. Tuning. Wait a second. Was that a Dragonstapel? Yeah, I need that. Okay. Oh, the circle die. Sweet. And the Dark Magicians. Yes. All right. Here we go. Finally coming into some Dark Magician stuff. Archfiend Empress. Apprentice Illusion in blue. Performapal Celestial Magician in red. Another Dragonstapelia. Okay. Dark Strings in red. Dark Magic Circle in blue. And another tuning. Magician's Robe. This is a mess. Just plastic paper. Another circle. And a third blue. Chaos Command in red. Dark Necrofear, Normal Ultra. Sinister Necron, blue. Saget. That word in blue. Yes! We got one. Boom. Now out of this box, we need a Soul Servant. Or just throw it. Why not? It's in red, but who cares? I really like red. And we pulled the Dark Magician die. All three. Circle, Magician, and DMG out of one display case. And what do we got for, I just like to say hard words. Trifioverutum. Very cool. Trifioverutum. Yeah, that's how you say that. Cool. Adjusted Gold in blue. Junk Converter, regular Ultra. Celestial Magician in red. normal Sangan. Apprentice Illusion in red. Tuning in blue. So we still got one of the cards that we were looking for. Because we need it. Boom. But yeah.